Now let's continue for the new task 21d. In this task, create a new web page that looks like this and has caption fruit sales. Okay, so we want to create this table and we want to write the caption for this table, which is the title here on this place, and it is called fruit sales. If you look at this table, we can make it in different way. We can look at it. You will find we have a table header which contains the field names. We have the table body which contains the information in each record, on each row, and we have down the table footer which has the total and the summation of the prices. So we can create this table in different way. We will repeat everything that we have done in the previous task, but we want to do some modification to show the header and the footer of the table. If you come here, this is our previous task. We will open all of the 4 windows that we are working on before. Now we want to open the new folder which is called task21d, and I want to save as my new task inside this folder, task21d. I want to put it inside here, and I will do the changes. First of all, the title I will change it to D, task21d, and we have the table one by one. We have opened the tag table and we put the border as 1 because we want to show the borders. Now we want to change the caption. The new caption is fruit sales. This is our new caption, and we want to show the table header. To show the table header, we want to open a new tag which is specified for the table header. It is called T head. So we will open the tag and we will close it. This is the header which will contain the header of the table. Okay, so inside the header of the table, what do we have? We have 2 cells, one inside it fruit name and the second is price. So we have one row contains 2 cells. If we have one row contains 2 cells, it means I have to create a new row inside this table header. I have to create the tags for rows. So this is the row. Inside this row we have 2 cells. So we have to create, I will delete this previous one. Okay, we have to create 2 cells inside this row. In the first cells, what do we have? We can make it because these cells are related to the table header. The tag for it will be TH, not TD. TH, and I will do the second one like TH. Do you see the difference? Here previously it was normal cells inside the row and the tags for the normal cells are TD, but we are here inside the head of the table, the header of the table. We are inside the table header. We created the rows. We have only one row in the header, and inside this row we have two cells, so the tag for the header cells are th. You can open for the first one and you will write fruit, and the second one, it contains the price. This is about the header of the table. Now let's do the HTML code for the footer. For the footer of the table, we have to open its tag. It's tag t foot, and we have to close it, forward slash t foot. For sure, inside the footer, what do we have? We have also one row. So I have to open the tag of the row, and we have two cells inside this row. For the footer, we will not change the tags for the cells. We will use as the normal tags of any row in the table. We will use the tag td. Okay, so the first cell has the name total, and the second cell has the name $6,560. Okay, now we finish from the footer. Until here, table footer is finished. Here the table heading is finished. Now we'll talk about the body of the table, the records which are registered in this table. So we have to open the tag t body, and we will close this tag after we finish all of the numbers of the rows inside this table. How many rows do we have? We have, let's look at the table, 1 2 3 4 5 rows. So we have to count it now. This is the first row with two cells. I will delete the previous information. This is the second row with two cells. This is the third with two cells. Now we need to do extra, fourth, then fifth. After we finish the number of the rows, we have to close the tag of table of the body of the table. After we close the body tag, we want to close the table tag, and this is the close of the body of the HTML code. So be care about this. This is the close of the body of the HTML code, which starts here. Okay, now let's go to the body of the table. We have in the first cell, this is the first row. In the first cell we have apple. The second cell, orange. The third, we have pear. Next, you can see it from your book. It is on page 493 or 92. You have it 2 times. Okay, so the next is banana. And this is the last row, which is lemon. $75. So like this, we expect to see the full table. Now we have to save everything and drag the file in the, you see, we have the captions, we have the header, and because we used a special tag for the header cells, we have them in different font, and we have everything as it's required by the task.